Welcome to Fast Repair. Today we got iPhone XS here, and let's check it out. The back glass is smashed. I think the phone is turned on, but black screen. We cannot see anything. So I will just plug the charger in to see. I'll just plug the charger in and see if it is. Yep, we can hear the sound for the charging. So the phone is actually on, but we cannot see anything on the screen for some reason, because the second layer on the screen, which is LED, is damaged. So we have to take the screen off and put a new screen, or there might be a different problem on the logic board. There might be backlight problems, but I think this looks like a screen problem. So let's take this off. Let's open the device and see what's wrong inside. And also, we will need to replace the back glass, because the customer told me he was mad for some reason and he threw the phone to the wall. That's how the phone is damaged. So I think it is not going to be very simple to fix it, but we don't have time too much. He said he got only 1 or 2 hours time to fix everything, so we gotta be quick. Let me open the device and see what we can do. So right now, there's 2 screws in the bottom. I'm going to take them off first. Let's take these 2 screws off. Right now I took the 2 screws from there, and I'm gonna take the screen off by using this metal prying tool. So there is a little space. You can start from here. That's the perfect spot. Yeah, I took. Okay, yeah. We opened the screen and we have to take the screws off. Here, we gotta use our special screwdriver, which is Y000. And this screw, and this one is Y0000. And this one is star, PH0 or PH00 is the best screwdriver to take it off. And also the customer told me the customer had really important data on this one, so we gotta be careful and get the data back. We cannot lose the data during the repair, so we have to be very, very careful during this progress. So right now, I took the screen off, and I'm gonna check the motherboard to see why we don't have a picture on the screen. So let's see. I actually have a microscope on the side, but I think you guys not able to see it on the camera right now. Okay, it just looks like a screen problem. The backlight is good. We will just put a new screen and the picture will be there, I think. And if not, then we will work on the logic board a little bit more. So right now, the other problem is the back glass. So we have to take this back glass off and put a new one. But right now we don't have the whole housing in stock, so we will just replace the back glass with the machine. Let's go to the machine and I can show you guys. So that's the machine we're gonna use today. So I'm gonna click on the start button. But first we need to turn it on. Okay. So this is the machine we're gonna use today. I'm gonna turn this on maximum. Okay, yeah, the computer is turning on. Right now we will do back glass glue removing. So you can see the red point, that's the laser.
Okay, the back close is all set.
Yeah, we got the back close done. So let's see what we're gonna do here. So right now, I remember there was a problem on the screen, so I'm gonna replace the screen with a new one. So then we will be good to go, I think. Because I checked the logic board and the logic board is good. We don't need to do anything on the motherboard. We just have to replace the screen with a new one because the OLED is damaged, which is the second layer on the screen. So let's see. Yes, where's my tweezer? That's the Face ID module on the screen, so we gotta be very, very careful because we can damage the Face ID easily because very sensitive, the cable and everything. And the Face ID flex cable is very hard to fix it, so you cannot use a new one. You have to use the same chips on the Face ID. That way you can still have access to use it. Otherwise, it's not gonna work if you replace the part with a new one. It is something like a home button fingerprint. So if you replace the home button with a new one on iPhone 7 Plus, for example, I don't think you will be able to use the fingerprint anymore because they block the fingerprint function with a crypto. So you gotta be very careful.